This is Florida Norwich meets Ohio Snow with her sister. This is Piper and Scout. Scout's the little Norwich playing in the new fresh snow. We've had so much of it. But she's acclimating to the snow. Be easy. Easy. They gotta play easy in the snow, Mama. They gotta play easy in the snow. Say, this is cold, Mama. Say, oh, goodness gracious. So, oh, we're gonna play in the snow. Then we're gonna play in the snow. But not for long, 'cause we get cold in the snow in Ohio. But we love our new puppy. She's fitting in very well. So we'll keep you updated on the snow and how Scout's doing in Ohio versus the sunny Florida. We'll talk to you later. Bye.